Good morning, students. Today we will study in maths after composite number. That means now see in your whiteboard, it is written there many things that we have to cover in this chapter. Understand? First we have to study about twin prime. What are twin prime? That means a prime, two prime numbers whose difference is 2. Understand? Yesterday I have taught about prime numbers, that means which have a factor 1 or number itself. Understand, are known as prime number. So what are twin prime? Twin prime means those prime numbers in which their difference is 2, like 5 and 3. That means when we subtract 5 minus 3, we will have result 2. 5 minus 3 will give 2. 7 and 5. 7 minus 5 will give 2. Understand? 13 and 11. 13 minus 11, 2. And all are prime number. 5, 3, 7, 5, 13, 11. Understand? And their difference is 2. So this type of number we can say is a twin prime number. Then what is prime triplet? Prime triplet means any 3 prime numbers whose difference is 2. Understand? We can say that is a prime triplet, like 3, 5 and 7. Understand? So 5 minus 3 we will have 2, 7 minus 5 again we will have 2. So 3 prime numbers whose difference is of 2 between them. Among them, then we will see that we can say that those 3 numbers will form a prime triplet. Then what are co-prime numbers? Here in co-prime numbers, we just need to see that there is only one common factor, and that is 1. Understand? Though it is written there co-prime, but that doesn't mean that only we will see in prime numbers. It can also a non-composite number also. But what happens? Both the numbers have only one common factor, that is 1. Understand? Like 2 and 7, both are prime number, but what happened? They both have only one common factor, 1. Here 5 and 8. 5 is a prime, but 8 is not a prime number. But we can include this also. Understand? That doesn't mean that 8 is not a prime number, so it cannot be a co-prime. It can be a co-prime. Understand? But what we will have to see, we just have to see that there is only one factor, only one common factor, that is 1. Understand? 9 and 11. 9 is not a prime number. Understand? It is divisible by 3. But 9 and 11 both have one common factor, that is 1. Understand? So this type of example is make you clear that what are co-prime numbers. Understand? Which have only 1 as a factor. Then we have to study about the perfect number. What are perfect number? That means factor of that number. We will first write the factor of the numbers. Understand? Which is asked in the question. Then we will add those factors. And we will see that the result will be the twice of that number which is asked in the question. Twice of that number which is asked in the question. For example, factor of 6 we have to write. Factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Then what happened? We will add those factors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 will give you 12. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 will give us 12. Then 2 into 6 will give us 12. That means twice of the number. 2 into 6, 2 into 6, that means twice of the number will give the result 12. So all these things I have covered. Now we have to move to the exercise. Understand? Now let us see some questions in the exercise. Now see exercise 4.1. Now see question number 3. Second part. It is 27. What we have to do? We have to write the factors of the number. What we have to do? We have to write the factors of the number of 27. So we will see that this 27 will lie in which table. Understand? First we will check in our mind that this 27 will lie in which table, and that table number will be the factor of 27. Understand? For example, see 27 will lie in 1, then 3, 3 9s are 27. Understand? Then it cannot be lie in 4, nor in 5, nor in 6, 7, no, 8, no, 9. 9 3s are 27. Then 10, no, 11, no, 12, no, 13, no, 14, no. Then in which table it will lie? It will lie on the table of 27 itself. Understand? So by this we can say that these are the factors of 27. Then we will see its third part. (210). Understand? We have to write the factor of 210. There may be many factors of 210. So when you will do, you will try to write each and every factor. Right now, what I will get on our mind, that I will write. Understand? So 1, 2, 3, 5, then 7, 7 3 is 21, 7, then 15. Understand? Then 15, 21. Understand? 30, 35 can also be. Understand? 105, 210. Understand? Maybe possible some 2-3 factors I am missing here, but altogether like this we can write the factors of the number. What we have to do, we have to check that number which is asked in the question will lie in which table. Understand? That we have to check. Understand? Without checking we cannot write. Understand? We will check in our mind. Understand? So all those number will be the factor of that number. So this is question number 3 I have given you. Now we will see some more questions. See question number 6. Common factor of 35 and 50, second part. In question number 6, second part, 35 and 50, common factors. Understand? So first we will write the factor of 35. What are the factors of 35? 35 factors are 1, then 5, then 7, then 9. I think only 35 can be the factor. 1, 5, 7 and 35. Then we will write the factor of 50. 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Understand? So we have written the factors of 35 and 50. Now we will see what are the common factors. So common factors we have 1 and 5 we have. Only 2 common factors we have. Understand? So we can say that common factors are are 1 and 5 only. Understand? Like this we have to do. Understand? Now see some more examples, some more questions. See in question number 9, we have to write the odd number, even number. That is very easy. You can write. In question number 10 also, write 4 consecutive and 3 consecutive means what? 4 consecutive, 3 consecutive means consecutive. Means one after other. One after another. Consecutive number. If you will say that write consecutive odd number, then consecutive odd number means 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. Like this, you can say that these are the consecutive odd number. That means we know that after 3, 5 will come. After 5, 7 will come. 7, then we know 9. 9 after we know 11 will come. So all these are the consecutive number. Consecutive odd number. Understand? Consecutive even number if you will talk, then consecutive even number. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, like this. We know after 2, 4 will come. After 4, 6 will come. 6 after 8 will come. Then 10 will come. So all these are consecutive even numbers. We know that after 2, that other number what it is coming. We know that. Understand? So this type of number is known as consecutive number. It is written there in question number 9, 10. So it will make you more easier now to understand the question. Now you all, I think, now I have explained it very clearly. I have taken some of the question also. Now I think you all better do the questions first, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment box also, or you can directly ask me in my WhatsApp number. Understand? Or in a group, wherever you will find easier, convenient, you can ask. First you will try. Understand? Do exercise, all of you. Do exercise 4.1 in your fair copy. Understand? This is your homework.